Six bitwise operators are there, guys. What are the six bitwise operators? Bitwise left shift. Okay, bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift, bitwise right shift, bitwise and okay, it's not logical and bitwise and it is. Bitwise are bitwise not negation symbol. Bitwise not bitwise XOR. These six operators are there. Bitwise XOR. These six. Okay. Write this, guys. Bitwise operators. Bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift, bitwise and bitwise or bitwise not, bitwise XOR. Yeah, guys. Bitwise left shift and right shift first. Yeah, bitwise left shift. The first class we discussed, right? What are the binary positions, binary values, how to write left shift and right shift, guys. This is a left shift, guys. What is left shift? It moves the bits towards left side, towards left side. Okay, it moves the bits towards left side. Yeah. What is the right shift? What is left side? What is right shift? I will discuss. It moves the bits towards right side. Moves the bits towards right side. What is mean by left side? What is mean by right side? I will show you, guys. You know, guys, binary positions. Binary positions are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, right? 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Right? We have this 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. You know, right? These are the binary positions, guys. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 5 value. How to write 5 value, guys? 1, 0, 1. These are 5, guys. A is, for example, A is 5 or 5 value. Okay. Can I write A is 5? Yes, A is 5. This value A is 5, 5. I want to write 5. 5 is a 5 binary value. We write like this. Yeah, 5 left shift 1. I want to write 5 left shift 1, guys. What is 5 left shift 1? It moves the bits towards left side, one position left. Move these positions, this value is one position left. See this. This is a position, right? One position left. It moves the bits towards left side. This 101, this 1 comes to this place, 0 comes to this place, 1 comes to this place. Remaining this value is how much? 0 only. Now, how to calculate this? Where ones are presented? Count 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. It's a 10. That is 5 left shift 1. 5 value, see, 4 and 1. 4 and 1 is 5. That is 5 value. 5 left shift 2, guys. For example, 5 left shift 2. What is 5 left shift 2? It moves the bits towards 2 positions left side. Okay. Move these 2 positions left side. We are moving these 2 positions left. Yeah. What is the remaining values? Zeros. Remaining values are zeros. What is 5 left shift 2? 16 plus 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. Okay, that is 5 left shift 2. Now You can write 5 left shift 3, 5 left shift 4, right? Now I am writing 5 right shift 1. What is a 5 right shift 1, guys? It's 101, right? Move the bits towards right side. 1 comes to this place, 1 comes to this place, 0 comes to this place, right? What about other one? There is no other positions, right? 1 0, 2 positions will be left. That's all. What is this value, guys? 2. 5 right shift 2. Right, 5 right shift 2, guys. What is 5 right shift 2? Then 2 positions right, then you will get 1. Then what is answer? 1, guys. Now 5 right shift 3. What is 5 right shift 3? For example, if I write 5 right shift 3, then answer is 0. There is no other position, right? We can declare as that is 3, 0. Okay, no? This 5 value, 5 left shift 1, moving left side, 5 left shift 2, 2 positions left side, 5 right shift 1, this is the right shift, 5 right shift 2, 5 right shift 3, 3 positions, right? Shortcuts, guys. What is shortcuts for this? Writing directly, right? For example, if I give 126, binary value writing is difficulty, right? And moving again difficulty. You cannot write this table always. It's a difficulty, right? What is shortcut? I will tell you guys. Completed this, right? First. Yeah, negation operator, Lahari. We call it a complement, right? Negation operator, tilde operator, different names are there. Okay. This is a negation operator, tilde operator, tilde, negation, different names are there, guys, for this. Completed. Next one. Yeah, what is shortcut? For example, guys, shortcuts for this 32, for example, 32 left shift 1. See, guys, if it is a shortcut is for that 32 into 2 power 1. That is a shortcut. Yeah, what is 32 left shift 1? It's a 64, guys. Okay, simply into 2 power 1. 32. Next example, 32 left shift 2. Yeah, what is 32 left shift, guys? 32 into 2 square. 32 into 2 square. What is 32 into 2 square? 32 into 4. What is 32 into 4? 128. That is 2 square. Like that, 2 cube, 3, right? We can write like this, guys. 32. For example, 32 left shift 0. What is 32 left shift 0 means? Is there any shifting? There is no shifting, guys. 32 only answer. This is the left shifts I am writing. 32 left shift 1. Completed. You're writing right? Tell me, guys, if you feel fast. I'll give a time to write. Okay, now completed, right? This completed. Yeah, left shift operator. See this. 32 into 2 power 0, 32. Again, see this. Negative values. Can I write a negative value? Minus 32 left shift 1. Yes, guys. You can write for negative values also. Minus 32 left shift 1. What is minus 32 left shift 1? Minus 32 into 2 power 1. It's a 2 power 1. Minus 32 into 2 power 1. Yeah, what is this value? Minus 32 into 2 power 1 is minus 64. It is answer. Same, minus 32 into 2 square, again 64. For example, remember this 32 left shift minus 1 value is always 0. Remember. Okay, 32 left shift minus 1 is always, this is 32 into, right? Remember that value. Okay, remember negative shifting values are 0. And also, right, clear it is. This is a left shift, guys. This is a left shift. Yeah, right shift we discuss. Right shift. Yeah, what is right shift? shortcut for right shift. Yeah, 32 right shift. 32 right shift 1. What is 32 right shift 1, guys? 32 by 2 power 1. 32 by 2 power 1 is what? Now that answer is what? 16. 32 right shift 2. What is 32 right shift 2? 32 by 2 square. 32 by 2 square is 4. Then it's a 8. Right, 32 right shift 3. Like that we can write 32 by 2 power 3. 8. 32 by 8. Then is what? 4. Is a 32 right shift 0. What is 32 right shift 0? No shifting. That is 32. Okay, no? Next, negative shifting. Minus 32 right shift 1. What is a minus 32 right shift 1, guys? Okay. Then minus 32 right shift 1. Minus 32 by minus 16. This answer is what? Minus 32 by 2 power 1. Then that value is how much? Minus 16. Okay, same like we can write. Same, guys, 32 right shift minus 1. This value is also same. Negative 1 right left shifter, right shifter. That values are, remember, 0. Is a right shift operators and left shift operators. Completed? Yeah, small example, guys. Small example. Right shift and left shift example. Completed? Yes, completed, right? Yeah, guys. One example for right shift and left shift operators. Okay, right shift and left shift operators. Example program I will give. What is example for right shift and left shift? Yeah, guys, write this and tell me the answer. Write this, guys. Start from main. Start from main. Then tell me the answer for this. Int main a equals to 3. Which option is correct, guys? Quickly write. Which option is correct? Write first. No, only for integers. Divya. Yeah, what is the answer for this, guys? First of all, you should know precedence, guys. Which one is having precedence? First addition is having a higher precedence. 3 plus 2, guys. 3 plus 2 is 5, right? 3 plus 2 is a 5. 5 left shift 1. What is 5 left shift 1? A is how much, guys? 10 first. 5 left shift 1. Next one is what? 2 left shift 1 here. Now which one will increment? 2 left shift 1 first. What is 2 left shift 1? 2 into 2 power 1. 2 into 2 power 1 is 4. A is how much? 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Then answer is what? 14. Which option is correct? A option is correct, guys. Yeah, value change, that is okay. Chala mandi em chestaru, 3 tone chestaru. Okay, now 10 7 something, right? We'll get different answer. Okay, option A is correct. Next one, bitwise and bitwise OR. Yeah, see this. Next operations completed this program. A plus 2 first addition first, guys. Addition first. A plus 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 left shift 1, 5 into 2 power 1 is 10. A value, that value change the A, right? A equals to, we said, right? A value will be modified. Now A equals to A plus, what is A plus? 10 plus 2 left shift 1, what is 2 left shift 1? 2 into 2 power 1, it's a 4, 10 plus 4, it's a 14. Then 10 and 14, A option is correct. Now next one, guys, see, right? That example completed, bitwise and simple, guys. What are the bitwise and bitwise are? I will give, right? What is a logical and see this. This is a logical and, guys. 2 and 3. This is a logical and. This is a bitwise and. Yeah, simple. What is a logical and what is bitwise and? 2 and 3. For 2 and 3, it is true. It is true. Answer is 1. Simply, it's a 1, guys. It's a 1. That's all. 2 and 3. What is 2 and 3, guys? 2 binary value, convert to binary value. In the first session I told you, guys, for you binary value, what are the binary values? 0 1 0 is a 3 binary value. What is 3 binary value, guys? 0 1 1. I have given in the data types, you can check it in the first class also. I told you. Yeah, see, you can do it, guys. What is 0 0? False and false, first condition. See this first value, 0 0, false, convert to binary and false and false, and operation, right? What is false and false? False when it is true. Is a false and false is false. 0 0 is 0, 1 and 1, next one, 1 and 1, it's a 1, right? Next one, it is next 0 1, 1 false, 1 true, then it is 0. Then answer is, guys, 2. That's all. Simple. Convert into binary format and do this operation. Bitwise are also same. Yeah, bitwise are also same. But for negative numbers, how to do, I will tell you. For negative numbers also, what is a logical OR, guys? 2 or 3. It's a bitwise OR. How to do for bitwise OR, guys? 2 binary value same. What is 2 binary value and 3 binary value? See this bitwise OR, guys. 2 binary value 0 1 0. 3 binary value same, guys. 3 binary value. What is 3 binary value? 0 1 1. 3 binary value 0 1 1. Yeah. For example, now what is the value for this? If both are false, then it's false. 0 0 is a false, 1 1 is true, 0 1 is 1. This is 3. Answer is 3. Binary values you should know. This is 0 1 0, it's a 2. 3 binary value is this. This is 2 or 3. Now bitwise XOR also, guys. Bitwise XOR. See this bitwise XOR. How to do, guys? Bitwise XOR. What is bitwise XOR? You should know, guys. It is true and true is false. Okay. False and false also false. Then truth table for XOR. Truth table for XOR. Both are false, false it is. Both are true also, it's a false. Right? This is bitwise XOR. What is bitwise XOR? 2 XOR 3. I want to know 2 XOR 3, guys. 2 XOR 3. Okay, how to, guys? How to write 2 XOR 3? 2 binary value 0 1 0. 3 binary value. What is 3 binary value, guys? See this 0 1 1. XOR value. How to do XOR value? 0 0 is 0, 1 1 also 0, then 0 1 is 1. This answer is 1. This is XOR, bitwise XOR. This is a bitwise and bitwise or bitwise XOR. Okay, na? Last one, bitwise not. Bitwise not or tilde operator or negation. Bitwise not or negation operator, negation or tilde, complement operator. Okay, we use different name, complements, right? See once, what is this? Add one and change the sign. Negation operator. This is a negation operator, guys. Okay. Add one and change the sign. I'll give some expressions also to for practice. Add one and change the sign. See this. Add one and change the sign. For example, A negation of A. See this. Add one and change the sign. A value is how much, guys? 5 or 4. Negation of A minus 5. That's all. Add one and change the sign. 4 minus 5. The next all. That's all. 5, guys. Minus 6. Add one and change the sign. Now minus 3 plus 2. Add one and change the sign. I think you understood how to add. One add and change the sign. This is a bitwise not. Yeah, for positive values, no problem, guys. For negative values, when it comes negative values, doing is difficult. I told you, right? Negative values how to do. In the first session, I told you. Completed this. Completed. Yeah, one example for negative values I will tell you, then you can understand. For negative values, if you give what is the answer for negative values? Yeah, if it is not completed, guys, you can take screenshot. Alt print screen. Our print screen symbol will be there in our computer. Alt print screen in the computer. In the mobile, you know, right, how to take the screenshot. First, right, if it is not possible, right? Completed. Yeah, last example, see, if you give negative numbers, bitwise operators completed. Clear it is, bitwise. For example, if you give negative numbers, then how to do, guys? Bitwise and see this, -5 and -6. What is the answer for -5 and -6? Bitwise, not logical, right? -5 binary value, -6 binary value. How many bits you have to take, guys? How many bits you have to take? Depends upon. Can I take 3 bits? We cannot take 3 bits because signed integer value you have to take, guys. Signed integer. -5 and -6. How to do -5, -6, guys? I told you, right? Binary symbols. Binary bits we have written. How many bits in the data types? Once you open the nodes, guys, you open the nodes. I told binary representation of bits. 2 bits. What is the 2 bits? What is 4 bits? Right? Binary representation. I told you. Right? In the binary representation. Yeah, I will show you guys. Yeah. Okay. See, guys, I told you, right? If I take 3 bits, what is the range? If I take 4 bits, what is the range? I told you, right? 3 bits. For example, what is the range? I told you, right? We have written, guys. This is -4 to +3. -4 to +3. Can I take -5, guys? We can't take -4 to +3. This is the range. Only signed bits you have to take, guys. Only signed bits. For example, if I take 4 bits, what is the range? For example, if you take 4 bits, guys, what is the range? This is a 4 bits, right? What is the range, guys? What is the range? -7 to, sorry, -8 to +7. -8 to +7. How many bits you have to take? 4 bits you have to take, guys. For 5 and -5, right? We have to take for 5 and -5. See how to write -6 by representation. -6 -5. 5 binary value 0 0, sorry, 0 1 0 1. It's a 5, guys. This is a 5 value, 5 by representation. Yeah, negative value. How to do this? You know, right? In the first session, I told you one's complement you have to do. How to do one's complement, guys? You know, right? That is a one's complement of how to do one's complement, guys. Right? Convert zeros into ones, ones into zeros. This is a ones. Two's complement. What is two's complement, guys? Add one. If I add one, guys, this is a add one, right? If I do this, then what is the answer, guys? If I do this, answer is what? We can do this bits adding, right? 1 0 1 1. This is a -5, guys. This is a -5. This is a 5. 1 represent negative here. Remember, this is a negative representation. That is a -5. 6 also. Do the 6 also, guys. What is 6 binary value? 0 1 1 0. This is 6. 4 bits you have to take because I told you, right? -6 it cannot fit in 3 bits. -3. Okay, -4 to +3 only. -6. If you want -6, 4 bits you have to take. Okay, guys. -6 I have taken. One's complement, guys. How to do one's complement? We can do one's complement like this. Okay, 1001. 1001. This is a ones complement, guys. Convert zeros into ones, ones into zeros. Two's complement. If I do two's complement, guys, how to do two's complement? See this. How to do this? 1 0 1 0 will get. This is a minus 6. Okay. I told you, right, how it converts. 1 1 is 0, will get. Carry is a 1. Now 1 0 is a 1 0 1 0. This is a minus 6. Under operation, how to do, guys? How to do under operation? 1 0 1 1. This is a minus 5. 1 0 1 1. This is a 1 0 1 1. This value is how much, guys? See this. If I do this, what is under operation? 1 1 is 1 0 0 is 0. 1 1 is 1. Sorry, 1 0 1 0. This is 1 0 1 0. Now what is this value, guys? Now finally we'll get this value. Result is this. Yeah, what is the result, guys? Result is a negative number, guys. Remember this negative number. What is the result? This is not a 10. Don't say it's a 10, guys. This is a minus value. How can you say it's a minus value? This is a negative representation. 1 is there. This is a result. Can you say 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 already minus 6? This result is minus 6, guys. Okay, you can say directly it's a minus 6. ఓకే, ఒకవేళ ఇది తెలియలేదు అనుకోండి, టూస్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ చేయండి. 1010కి దిస్ ఇస్ ద రిజల్ట్, రైట్? పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్ విల్ గెట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద టూస్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఫర్ 1010? 0101. Do the two's complement. If I do two's complement, then what is the answer we'll get? We'll get answer is 0110. This is 6, guys. Okay, this is a result. Our result is minus 6. What is the value? Two's complement is minus 6 value. Okay, for positive number we'll get a negative, right? For negative number, if you do two's complement, positive number, vice versa. For positive number, if you do two's complement, we get negative number. Same way, for negative number, if you do two's complement, that is a ఎప్పుడు ఇది తెలియనప్పుడు, రిజల్ట్ తెలియనప్పుడు 1010, it's not 10, it's not 10, don't say it's a 10, because it's a 1 is a negative, that is a minus 6. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ చెప్పొచ్చు it's a minus 6. And see this, how to do this? Printf, we can do printf percentile d minus 51 minus 6. What is minus 51 minus 6? Answer you can see, it's a minus 6, guys. Clear it is? Understood? Yeah, write this. How to do for minus 6? Two's complement and one's complement. This is a minus 5, this is a minus 6. Result is this, minus 6 is the answer. Bits, you have to take bits bytes, proper bits you have to take, otherwise then you will get a wrong answer. 3 bits తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ 3 bits తీసుకున్నా మీకు wrong answer వస్తుంది. You should not take 3 bits, right? We have to take 4 bits, guys. We have to take 4 bits. Clear it is? You should not take 3 bits. 4 bits you have to take. Okay, na? Yeah, that's all today. Any doubts here? In the first session I told you, guys, in the first session I told you how to do this one's complement, two's complement for you, right? Especially I told you how to write a binary numbers, binary representation, negative representation. I told you, guys. Okay, na? Any doubts? Yeah, result is a 1010 you got, right? What is a 1010? Normally 1010, it's a 10 అంటాం, 10 binary value నార్మల్ గా చెప్పేది, బట్ ఇట్స్ ఇయర్ నాట్, ఇట్స్ 10. ఈ 1 రిప్రజెంట్, మనం అన్ని సైన్ బిట్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ సైన్ బిట్స్. జీరోస్ తో స్టార్ట్ అయితే అది పాజిటివ్ ఇయర్, 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అయిందంటే ఇట్స్ నెగిటివ్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ minus 5? దిస్ ఇస్ minus 5, రైట్? 1011, 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్ 0 తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, 0101. ఓకే, you have to take how many bits ఇక్కడ డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. minus 5 కావాలంటే కెన్ యూ టేక్ minus 5 ఇయర్? 3 bits లో ఫిట్ అవుతుందా? 3 bits తీసుకోలేము, కంపల్సరీగా 4 bits తీసుకోవాలి. I have given this, guys. I have given this sheet. Okay, 3 binary values and 4 binary values, right? This is minus 5 value, it is. This is a minus 6 value, same. 4 bits I have taken, 4 bits. You understood, right? What is 4 bit? 1 2 3 4 bits. Here also you get a 1010. Now 1011 1010. This is a minus 5 and minus 6 under operation. 11 is 1, 00 is 0, 11 is 1, 01 is 0. Result is minus 6. Clear, guys? Yeah. In next session, I will tell you other two. Again, we'll discuss another examples, guys. Don't worry. Okay. After completion only, we discuss the next two operators left, conditional and special. In the next session, we discuss. Okay, na? Thank you, guys.